Hi friends, in this video, we will learn how to print the value of variable and string formatting. So let us understand it using some example. Here we have name equal to Python and year equal to 2019. So how to print these values of variables? One method is we can use comma to separate string and variable like here. Here name colon space within the quotes. So it is a string to be printed and it will be printed. Now we have a comma and name, which means it is a variable. So its value will be taken from its location and it will be printed on the screen. Again we have a comma and comma space in quotes. So it will be printed, and is there any comma again followed by here, which means it is a variable. So its variable will be printed. So that was one method using comma to separate string and variable while printing. Another method is concatenating using plus sample. So we can concatenate string and variable. So let us concatenate string name and variable name, and string year and variable year. So we are going to get correct output here. No, we will get the type error only. So why was that? It is because of year is an integer type. In Python, we cannot concatenate string and an integer. So we will need to typecast it into a string first. So typecast here into a string type. Now we will get the output correctly. The next method is using a string.format method. Here the string to be printed is written first followed by .format, and the variable name and the curly braces will be replaced by the value of the variable. We can also use position string formatting method, that according to the position value, the value of the variable will be printed. Here we can see name 0 and year 1, and the first variable we have is name and second is year. So for 0, the first variable name will be printed, and for 1, the second variable year will be printed. Let us see another example. We have name 1 and year 0. So for 1, the second variable year value will be printed, and 0, the first variable name will be printed, and we will get the output like this. So that is how we can use positions. We can also use keyword arguments in string formatting method. Here the place of n, the value of name will be placed, and in place of y, the value of year will be placed. So these are different methods to print the value of variables. But the simplest methods, all of the methods is just adding f before the string. It can be lowercase or uppercase. Here f denotes it is a formatting string, and we can just place the variable name with curly braces, and it will be replacing by the variables which actual value. So this is the example. We can add f at first and write the string and variables in curly braces, so value of the variable will be printed. So today we have learned different methods to print value of the variable. We can also use separating by comma method, and then we used concatenating using plus sample, and then we use string formatting method and also adding f before the string. So adding f before the string is the simplest method to print value of a variable. We will be using this method for rest of our videos. So that's all, and the next video we will discuss about input functions in Python. Thank you.
Yo, microphone check, make it a microphone check. Give it a microphone, I make the microphone dead. Don't step to me, newbie, I could truly be moody. I could have played the fucking Grinch in the movies. I've been a part-time